Cryptocurrency is everywhere these days. Whether you're hearing about Bitcoin hitting new highs or Ethereum powering the next big tech idea, it's clear that crypto isn't just a FUD, it's here to stay. But how do you actually get your hands on these digital coins? That's where crypto exchanges come in. And if you're new to the world of crypto, understanding how these exchanges work is your first step. That's why in this video, I will explain what are crypto exchanges and how to take your first trade in 2024. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is a crypto exchange? Simply put, a crypto exchange is an online platform that allows you to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. It's kind of like a stock exchange, but instead of trading stocks, you're dealing with digital currencies. These exchanges act as a middleman between buyers and sellers, facilitating transactions in a secure environment. But not all exchanges work the same way, and that's what we're going to cover next. Types of crypto exchanges. There are different types of crypto exchanges, and understanding the differences is key to choosing the right one for you. First, there are centralized exchanges, or CEX. These are the most common types of exchanges and operate like traditional stock exchanges. Popular platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, they act as intermediaries, holding your funds and processing transactions on your behalf. This setup is great for beginners because it's user-friendly and offers customer support. However, because the exchange holds your funds, there's a level of trust you need to place in them. Then, there are decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. As the name suggests, these platforms don't have a central authority. Instead, they use blockchain technology to let users trade directly with each other. This means you have full control over your assets at all times, which can be a big plus for those who value privacy and security. However, DEXs can be a bit trickier to use. If you're a beginner, I recommend to start with centralized exchanges. But how do you choose the best exchange for you? There are a few important things to consider. First, look at the fees. Different exchanges have different fees for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. Make sure you choose with less fee, or have an idea how much fee you are paying. Second, security. Security should be a top priority when choosing an exchange. Look for exchanges that offer cold storage for assets and insurance against breaches. You want to make sure your funds are as safe as possible. Third, think about the range of cryptocurrencies available. Some exchanges offer a wide variety of coins, while others are more limited. If you're interested in trading a specific coin, make sure the exchange supports it. Finally, consider how easy the platform is to use. If you're new to crypto, look for an exchange with a simple interface and good customer support. While researching all the top exchanges, I found that the best crypto exchange name ByteFi, which has all these features, plus it also doesn't require KYC verification. This is a major benefit if you value your privacy and want to start trading without the hassle of submitting documents. Now that you've chosen ByteFi as your crypto exchange, it's time to get registered. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so you can start trading right away. To begin, visit the ByteFi website, where you'll see the Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the registration page. You have the option to sign up using your email address or mobile number. Let's go with the email option for now. Enter your email address in the provided field, and click Request Code. You'll receive an email with a verification code. Just enter that code in the Email Verification Code field to confirm your email. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. Make sure it's something unique and difficult to guess. After that, you'll see an optional field for an invitation code. Be sure to enter the referral code available in the video description. Using this code can unlock extra bonuses and perks when you start trading. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom. And that's it. You've successfully created your ByteFi account. Once your account is set up, the next step is to deposit funds so you can start trading. ByteFi offers several ways to deposit, including bank transfers, debit or credit cards, and of course, cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds, go to the Deposit section on the platform. If you're depositing cryptocurrency, choose the coin you want to deposit, and the platform will provide you with a deposit address. Simply transfer your crypto to this address, and the funds will appear in your account shortly. ByteFi supports over 90 fiat currencies and a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you have plenty of options. Just keep in mind that the platform doesn't support fiat trading pairs, so your fiat deposits will likely need to be converted to a stablecoin like USDT before you start trading. Now that your account is funded, it's time to make your first trade. To start, head over to the Trade section and select Spot Trading or Derivatives, depending on what type of trading you're interested in. For beginners, spot trading is usually the way to go. You'll need to select the trading pair that you want to trade. For example, if you're looking to buy Bitcoin with USDT, you'll choose the BTC-USDT pair. Once you've selected your pair, decide whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the best available price, while a limit order will only execute when the price reaches a level you specify. After setting up your order, simply click Buy or Sell, and you're done. Congratulations, you've just made your first trade on BuyDeFi. And there you have it, a complete guide on what crypto exchanges are, how to choose the best one, and how to get started with BuyDeFi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto videos. And again, don't forget to use my referral link in the description when signing up on BuyDeFi to get some great bonuses.